Hello my lovies, my Jassy Pips! Welcome back to my channel. Before I present to you the part 1 of our Bicol trip 2025, first things first, I celebrated Mother's Day with Labidudes, Joaquin, and my gorgeous high school pips here in the Beyond restaurant in Gumaca, Quezon. This resto is just in Castillo area. It's a Korean restaurant. It's a fusion. So we love the sandwiches, the ramen. Yes, and the next day, it's election day, we exercise our rights to vote the right and deserved candidates. And then, I witnessed how my kababayans prepped for the Aranyat Baluarte. And on the day itself, the Aranyat Baluarte, which was on May 15, Joaquin and I attended Mass in the afternoon before the proper program of Aranyat Baluarte. And later, we will show you how we celebrate this festivity. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Amen. Congrats, Cons! Congrats!
Thank you po sa lahat.
Dali, Waki, dali! Waki, dali! Dali, anak. Okay, huwag ka mag-squint. Na, ulan.
Ulan na. Ay, naku, ulan na.
Okay lang. And now, it's raining. Cats and dogs, my God. So, the program paused for a while. And we will wait for the rain to stop. So, we're here at the Three Sisters. Yeah. Ay, ang ganda no sa atin. Wala pa eh. Yes, wala pa. Ayun na sila, Mayor. ang anak.
Kaya tayo, pag ano, pag wala na. Sige, dalay sa inyo. Makiyak na. Yan ang nakakatakot kaya yung patinira. Tama na rin, mga nagtawa ka. Kaya yung mga tinamay. Mamaya, mapupulit kami na dito.
So, we're here checking the other decors. Yeah. We're here. And this is my school during my primary days. Hi, hi! This is a beautiful daughter of my bestie, Cherie. I'm pretty! Happy to see you, dear. Okay. See you around. Okay, love ya. Ayan. Okay. Nice. Super nice. I like it here. Distrito 1. Then there's a Changge. Ayan. We're here at Tax. Yan. With my gorgeous friend, Mafer. Hindi lang gorgeous na, intelligent, smart. Yan. Mukha yung Pakistani. And Joaquin. Yan. So this is the place. O diba, we have a place like this in our hometown. Yan. So ducks. And this is the tuna pasta. Yeah. And the owner, this pretty girl. Yeah. Siya ang owner. Oh. O, diba? Yeah. Nasa vlog kita din. Okay. Sarap kasi comfort food. And this is the yummiest nachos I've ever tasted. The nachos of Ate Vida, the one wearing the pants. Yeah. And we had so much fun always with this Esquivel clan. No dull moments with this clan. Yes. No, bawal mag-jump, anak. Bawal. And we celebrated the Esquivel clan reunion in this beautiful house of Ate Venus. Yes, super beautiful. My God. Nice. This one, no, nice. I love the chairs. And the detail. Alisin mo na yan. Hi, Waki. We had our lunch here at La Regencia Comida here in Naga City. We haven't been here, to be honest, but I was attracted with the exterior of the resto, and I feel that I will love the foods here. And you will know later my verdict. And I super love the interior design of this resto. It's ginger tea. They serve free ginger hot tea while waiting for our foods. I love the chandelier, the paintings, and this Naga City map. This is a map, and I love this painting as well with the Capiz window. So we ordered for ginarip na mais, corn with moringa, and this pinangat na lukadon, meat with shrimp, their bestseller, and the adobong puti, and this crispy sisig. Yeah, I super love how this map was illustrated. And I love the way they cook their foods here. So according to the owners, they don't use MSG and they use natural ingredients from their farm. So happy to meet this lovely couple, Mr. John and Miss Olive Clemente, who owns this resto. And they presented to us the must see and visit places here in Bicol. Like a tourist guide. Yes. So stay tuned.
Hello, my love is my Chelsea Pips. I'm here now in Legazpi City.
Kamalig to.
Kamali.
Kamalig by Pasyon.
Okay,
By
so
dito.
here is the beautiful Mayon volcano. So as promised, I'll be featuring some tourist spots here in Bicol. So stay tuned for that. But before anything else, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and be part of my Chelsea Pip Club, just click the red button subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted whenever I post something like this. Okay? Okay, so see you. Perfect cone. Love the beach vibes. Diba nice?
And it's dinner time, and we went here at Ayala Malls. So I want to try this resto, and attorney and Joaquin told me that they serve yummy foods. So we ordered tapsilog and steak, and they're right, I love their tapsilog.
Paki. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it here. Nice here.
Definitely time zone for this young man. So this is the hotel. Yeah.
There you go. Nice place. Diba? Chandelier. So, yan. And this is our room. Yay! Knock, knock. Yes, Joaquin. So, this is our room. This is and the room will cost you 2,500 per
nice
night.
view in the morning. This is the beautiful Mount Mayon. Oh my god, so beautiful. So that's the beautiful Mount Mayon. Yeah, oh my god. So there. Pero mas maganda siya if I have a better view in our room. Yayay Kusama. This is my outfit. So let's go.
Mayroon pa mas malayo doon? Ano yun?
Yung pinakamalayo yung green po, yung itim sa amin po.
Yeah, yung green. Kaya lang kasi.
Go there. The Raga Church, let's go there. Parang napunta ako.
Parang na, so first po sa akin.
My restaurants.
Kahit na gano'n, pag hindi siya lang.
Sabay tagwag-tag. Actually,
Ay, ito ba yung Wednesday? Ay, napunta. So this is your brother Mayon trail map. So ATV trails, Mayon ATV challenge, Mayon to Lava Front. I think that's the route you're gonna take. Mayon Advanced Trail, Mayon ATV Summit. Ah, it's so far. The best and the original since 2006. So yeah, so this is the place.
Ay, ano po kakaiba ng sabihin?
Mas malayo siya.
Pero,
Kita niyo yung Albay.
gano'ng kataas? Gano'ng kalayo po?
Kalayo?
Ano, bro?
Mga 3 to 4 hours. Approximately ba?
tester na po.
Yung single seater 1.6 na.
Is kanya. Tapos,
Kaya yung double, instead of 4,000, 3 to na. Kasi sige.
may discount ba ang ano? PWD?
Yan sir, discounted na pala.
Discounted
Pero
na.
yung sige nila sa amin.
Sige po.
May guide pa rin kami, ano?
So consent form.
Paadagdag sa amin yung tulong single sa Rondobo lamang. Tulong single sa Rondobo lamang.
Kaya ba? Kaya ko ba lang?
Malayo din yun. Mga ilakot kami may ito sa oras.
Tulong single na yung
Before we sign the consent, an orientation will be done first. Actually, Joaquin and I had a hard time getting the perfect helmet for us, the perfect fit for our heads. Our heads are kind of big, to be honest. Ito lang.
Brake po sa likod.
Ito brake.
Brake sa harap.
Okay. Ito sa likod, ito sa harap.
Apo.
Okay.
Ito po yung accelerator.
Okay. But,
Go po, ito po yung go.
go, yan. Go. Basta. Ay, paano kaya ito? Oh my God. Sandali lang ah. before we do our trail, we need to practice 2 lapses here in this area.
And it's my turn.
And we're now set to begin the trail. To be honest, I'm so scared. My God. Because I thought the trail will begin on a flat surface. But, the trail we got was the kind advanced already. Oh my goodness. But you see later how I pull it off. FYI, my love, this is my Jossie Pips. This is my first ATV ride, and I think I pulled it off. Not so bad for a first timer, and just so shocked that we'll be doing this trail. I thought that we will just pass a plain surface, but this is an advanced trail already. Yeah, but I think I did it. I need to change my ATV because the engine keeps on stopping. I don't know why. And this red one is much better for me. So Tank is now riding the yellow one.
Mamaya na po magbalik. Preno po, preno.
So I don't know what to do here. So we're here at the Black Lava. So let's check what's in store for us here. Yeah. Hiking. We will go there. There. Sa block na yan. There. I don't know if I could make it. So we'll go there. Let's see kung kaya natin yan. If I can do it. There. Parang kampanya lang to, love. Oo. So there pa. Akitin namin. Whew. So, bakit please? Ay. So we're here. Wow.
Yun.
So yun, oh. There. Ah.
Tapos,
Do not pull.
hindi ka niyan.
Kuya, ihatid mo ako doon sa walang gaan.
Sige, sige, yatid ko, sir.
O, doon sa walang ano.
Yan, pass mo pa sa pamo.
Taas.
Ha? Video mo sir si ma'am para... Wait lang. Oo nga, ito naman kasi, patintuloy ako na ano.
Baba ka daw muna, videohan mo siya sa baba.
Tapang nga. Ano bag niya? Ang ganda ng sigaw na.
And we're here. Helipad. Yan.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Wow, Rebecca.
Yan. It's the lava rocks. Lava rocks. Tourists. Joaquin and Lovey Dudes. So we're here at the helipad. Here at... Anong tawag dito?
Helipad nga, Black Lava.
Black Lava. Yeah. And this is the Mayon volcano. There.
came from Mayon volcano when it erupted. Woo! And there's a black lizard. Ayun no, iba yun no. Black lizard. Lizard kaya tawag.
Saan?
Ayun eh.
Saan?
Okay na. Tingnan natin kung magpapakita siya ulit. Let's see kung nasan siya. Wala na, hindi ko na makita. Kanina eh. Wala na. Wala na. Yan, that's ngayon. Still hiding. Because it keeps up. That's why. The beautiful Mount Mayon here in Philippines.
Alala, pang-alali lang tali, hindi ano.
Ikaw muna, baba na.
Tum na ako.
Kakakain nyo lang kanina.
Lamig kanin.
Go ahead.
Gusto na ako.
Okay.
Hello.
Ay, pataas naman. Ay. So dito? Alright. Ang bilis! Nice place here. It's time to go back. So yan. So this is the place. This is the black lava. There's only one store that you can buy your drinks. Yan. Mga biscuit, only noodles. So there's no restaurant here. So make sure if you will do the ATV, your tummy is full. And you can bring your own water. But don't worry, if you don't bring your water or any drinks, there is a store here.
Since we're kind of tired already, we requested Tang to take the route with only highways. So, without passing any rivers or creeks or fields anymore. So that I could experience it. Because Attorney and Joaquin already experienced this highway trail last 2023, and even actually this black lava trail per se last 2023, and I can say that riding an ATV is just easy and super fun, but you must be focused because you can mix or confuse with the accelerator and brakes, and you will know what I'm talking about later. And if you will visit Legazpi City, it's a must try this ATV ride with your brother Mayon ATV tour, because they're the first and they are the best, I guarantee you. That's when I'm talking about. I'm about to hit a car. But yeah, so I immediately
Naka-video pa
push the brake.
Naka-video.
So this is Tang. So if you come here sa your
ATV.
brother, ATV, look for Tang.
Yes.
So he was also the one na nag-assist kila Joaquin and attorney last year, right?
Yes, tama po.
23,
Yes.
right? And then
Yeah,
he has a
2023.
relative in
Oo.
in Quezon.
Naalala kita eh.
Naalala mo?
Naalala ko yung mukha ni Sir.
Naalala. Thank you, Teng.
Opo ma'am, sa ulitin, malayo naman po tayo. Summit naman piliin niyo.
Summit na.
Thank you
O,
very
next
much
year
po.
ulit.
Yes
Thank
po,
you.
next year
Okay.
ulit.
Okay. And there is a cafe here. Yan. Cafe. Saan? Ayun ang akyatan. Ayun ang akyatan. Okay. Nagpakita si Mayun eh. Meron na naman. Hindi, okay lang yan.
Diyos Maray na aga po sa inyo po, Gabos. My name is JJ and this is my father, former City Councilor Chan. We're inviting you all to go on an ATV ride going to the volcano. We're the first ATV company since 2006. We are Your Brother Travel and Tours. We are the City of Fun and Adventure, Legazpi City.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
And we had
Kamusta,
so
ma'am?
much
Nag-enjoy
fun.
po ba kayo?
Super.
Opo.
First time.
Next time you try the ATV Summit where Zac Efron goes to po. Pumunta
so
siya si
yun
Zac
na.
Efron. Tsaka dyan yung shooting ng She's Dating the Gangster.
Really?
Yung kina Daniel Padilla. Opo.
Next year.
Okay. Actually, we have plenty of companies here, but we're the first company talaga. Siya talaga yung gumawa talaga
Si
nitong
Sir.
activity talaga. Yes, he promotes the tourism talaga dito sa Legazpi. Like for example, so you can see yung bundok na yun.
Oo.
Opo, siya din po nagsimula.
Siya din yun.
Opo.
Okay. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much po. Just
Yeah,
papalas po.
okay. Welcome to Erosin. So this is our room. We have our jacuzzi. Okay na lang din pala kasi nadyan naman pala. So this is the end of Luzon, the town of Matnog. Okay? Yes! So later, wow!
Magkano muna ko?
Kami po ay nahuli ng dating dahil may kasama po kami matanda. Ngayon po tayo muna mag-travel pag may kasamang may event na. Dahil po ako sa Bicol kagabi, medyo may compromise po ako dun sa Ligas, kaya madaling araw na din ako nakauwi.